everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about a differentiation equations, very important chapter. So every year they ask every competitive level, yeah, whenever you give a JEE, yeah, another competitive exam, they ask so much question in this chapter. So first of all, when we start this chapter, what is important thing? So we know as like just a minute, I want to write something and then I will try to explain it. So first of all, we know what is that means differentiation is very important. So differentiation and then integration. If you know these two chapters, then you easily understood about this differentiation equation. Differentiation equation, how it's related to each other. So I want to show you one PDF and then we will try to explain that concept here. So every year they ask in this exam hall. So without wasting a time, let's we start. So first of all, you see here, uh, yeah. So differentiation equation. So when we discuss about a differentiation equation, so here, so first of all, we discuss. Just a minute. We'll add here this highlight. Yeah. So you can see here. So first of all, we discuss introduction, means what is important thing. Second, we discussed about a order and degree. One mark question they ask every year in the board, ICSE or CBSE board. So this is also important thing. And then third thing, we study about a formation of differentiation equation. That means how can we formation to its equation. And then fourth, we discuss about a first order and first degree differentiation equation. And then variable, it's a part of this one sub unit as like after that we discussed about a variable separation, separable method, reducible to variable separable method, or linear differentiation equation and reducible to the linear differentiation equation, and exact form application of differentiation equation. So today we will discuss about this three. Let's we make a target today. So these three we will discuss. So this is the introduction part, and then so so can you see here? So what is a differentiation equation? So introduction they explain here, an equation that involves dependent variable and then independent variable. What is it? Depend involves dependent variables and independent variables, and derivatives of the dependent variable is called differentiation equation. So what I'm saying, just I will try to the mention here. So yeah. So when we discuss this one, uh, just a minute, it's not working. Yeah. So there is three things we got to remember here. So one is this thing. Can you see? Involves dependent variable, and second is independent variable, and third one is derivative of dependent variable is called differentiation equation. So x is independent, right? And then y also independent, but this is the derivative of dy by dx, and this is a double differentiation when we write as like this one. So this is a triple, matlab third order. We will discuss later. Just a minute. See here. So what we understood. So same definition here also they mention. But there is a two thing in our syllabus. We only discussed about the ODE. What is the ODE? So ordinary differentiation equation. So what they said, if the differentiation coefficient with respect to single independent variable, while it is called a partial, that means it is called a partial what differentiation equation if there are two more than independent variable. So let's be introduction about this chapter. So can you see here? So this is a, if I write as like dy by dx format, so this is a ODE. So can I write here ODE? So ordinary differentiation equation. So this is a d with respect to dy by dx. But when they apply this delta here, but this is not our syllabus. Just I show you what is the difference between partial differentiation equation. That means this is part. Can we write as like this? PDE and then that means you can see here. Yeah, our syllabus. That means only our syllabus OD. If you want to give in JE as like this also, but it's come to the ODA, not come to the PDE. But some when you solve some numerical based question in physics, that time we will use the partial differential equation, but physics teacher they explain later. So order and degree of differentiation equation. So what is order? It is the order of highest order differential coefficient occurring in a differential equation. But when we read the definition, it's little bit confusing. But when we see the solution, yeah, example, you usually understood what I am trying to explain here. So this is the order they explain the definition here. It is the order of highest order differentiation coefficient occurring the differential equation. Means can you see here which one is order? Sir, if this is a power, right? So 3 is the power, no? And then this is a double differentiation. So here this is a order, but this is a power. So we cannot discuss about a power. When we see the discuss this one also. So सबसे highest order is this 3, no? That means order is 3. So we cannot take this power. We just take this thing. But we cannot write here 4. I hope you understood what I'm saying. Yeah, same question they explain here also. It is the order of highest. I hope you understood. No, has order is 3. Why you cannot take a 4? Uh, because can you see 4? This one is the highest order is 2, not the power of 4. But when we see this is a root, so that means it's only 1. When we break is a half, right? So, but when we see here, this is the highest order. So we just see this one and then here 3, no? So that's why order is come to the 3. But we cannot take the this one. I hope you understood. But degree is what happened. It is the degree of highest order. What I'm saying, degree of highest order derivative occurring the differentiation equation after it has been expressed of polynomial is derivative. So the example here, and then I hope you understood. So degree, it is same definition they wrote here also. For example, d2y to the power 4. So here, if we discuss about the order, here 2. लेकिन इसका power how much is the 4, right? So I hope you understood. So we will see here. So here 3 and here 2. So which one is greater? So greater is 4. I means this is comes to the here 2 and here 4. So that's why degree is 2. Which one I select here? इसके हिसाब से we will take it. I hope you understood. Or this is not possible because exponential is coming here. So this problem is not possible to solve it. So can you see same question here? Undefined, they write it. If the differentiation equation express, yeah, so what I'm saying, if the differentiation equation cannot be expressed the polynomial derivative in the yeah, so can you solve this question? Let's first find the order of degree. So this thing is there, so both side we will multiply 1 by 4. So order is come to the 2 and then power will come to the 4 degree, no? So yeah, same question they explain here also. So can you see d2y dx2, but this one is this. So when we discuss about the order, so highest is 3. So that's why it's come to the 3 and degree is not possible. I hope you understood because here exponential is coming, no? That's why. So let's the order and degree of following degree. So log this one. So can we write dy by dx is equal to, when we remove the log is come to the e to the power x plus 2y. So order is come to the 1 and degree also come to the 1 because we take this one. I hope you understood. No? So let's the find of order and same question they write here also. I hope you understood this 3 question and then there is some question is here. So let's we solve the line by line question. Okay. So when we solve the here, so can you find the order and degree of the following so this is your homework. So what is the order of this here? Okay, I write the answer also. Can you see when we discuss about the solution? So uh, cubic both side. Why? Because 2 by 3 we want to cancel it, right? So when we do a both side the cubic as like power 3, and here also do 3. So and then hence order is coming 3, because and degree is come to the 3 to the power 2. So degree is this one. Sir, why we cannot this one take? Because highest or this one, no 3. We cannot take this one. I hope you understood. So when we discuss this question also, find the order and degree. We'll just divide by dx is the 4. No, and then I hope you understood. It's coming this same sign is coming here, but it's not defined to the, yeah. So the order is 2, and then just you see the question, all of this. There is solution also there. Yeah, try this one also. So I hope you understood about the order and degree. How can we find? So yeah. So there are so many questions if you want to solve. There is answer also there. If you want to solve, just you search the, and then we just created about the formation of differentiation equation next lecture. Okay. If I hope you understood order and degree. So thank you so much for watching. We will discuss later. Okay. Thank you.